everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have for you today a clean, declutter, and organize with me. I really hope you get the motivation you need to clean your home or space. Like in my case was this drawers that they were driving me crazy. As I was baking, I just found myself frustrated because I couldn't find a lot of the things, and I was like, it's just time. I'm not gonna do it after Thanksgiving. It's like I had to get started. Now I didn't finish the entire cabinets, but I got the most dirtiest ones and the ones that needed to go back in order. You are probably thinking or looking at a spot right now that needs attention, that needs you, okay? So I encourage you to clean with me, get the motivation on, and let's just clean together. I noticed that when I did talk about, comparing yourself with the internet people, with, entertainers, maybe I'm not the only person that you watch when it comes to cleaning. And sometimes, even if you don't want to, even if you're not a mean person, you just can't help yourself but feel like you're less than. But girl, you are enough, you are unique, and you don't need to compare yourself to others or what they have. Okay, you don't need to do that. So I want to share this with you and let me know what you think. It's great to honor the gifts and abilities you see in others, but don't forget to value the skills and giftings that God has graciously given to you. Let that sink in. Like I said, everybody's unique, everybody has different talents, everybody has different taste. You don't have to be like the others. And it is true, whenever you just focus whatever it is that you most value, most enjoy, people see it without you even trying because it's you. And that's what makes you stand out. You guys know the rules basically when it comes to cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. It feels so draining because it's a lot of process to it, and it's a lot of thinking of should I get rid of it or should I not. So what I like to do is whenever I do clean the specific area, or I find myself putting back an item that I had put before for over 3 to 5 times, it means it needs to go. Obviously, I'm not using it, but my mind keeps telling me that I'm going to use it and that I'm going to need it. That's when it needs to go. There's a lot of stuff in these drawers that I have been doing that. So I did get rid of a lot of stuff, and I was so happy for it because it felt like I declutter my mind and not just my drawers. know exactly this specific moment here where I was like, I want to have the forks and spoons separated. But then I was like, even if I do this, in matter of an hour or two, it's just gonna be all over the place because like kids. So I remember when I first started to really wanted to have like bins, those clear bins, and be organized and just like keep up with it. It was so much work for me because kids are gonna be kids. And I'm not saying you can't have nice things when you have kids, or kids are always in training. They see and they do. And if they see you doing it, they're going to do it. But it's hard to keep up just for not even to please you, but please others, what they think or how they feel, how you have your house, if you know what I mean. As long as you're a clean person in a way where like you keep up with your house, no matter how you do it, it's great. You don't have to have everything like so perfect in people's eyes. And I was just like, well, probably when my kids are grown, I'll be able to have stuff like that because nobody's really going to touch it. And honestly, a person, if you pick up after yourself, it's gonna be easier and less mess, right? But then it's like, I want to appreciate these moments of them, you know, putting things off in a way where like I want to soak these moments up, because when they are really grown and they don't even, come over as often because who knows, college or their own life, you're going to miss these moments. You're like, wow, I remember I used to deep clean this spot a lot, and now it's just like once in a while. So it's like balancing is very important, and the kids get the memo. They do. They are very smart. They really are. My kids pick up to themselves, not 100% of the time, but they do try. And when it comes to trying with the kids, I know the feeling. Trust me, girl. I know the feeling when somebody does not clean the way you clean, or they don't put stuff how you expect them. You kind of get annoyed. Like, it's not like that. It's like this. But if they see you doing it, they will try to do it. Now, let them try, so they won't get discouraged when you go and fix it in front of them. You can fix it later. And that's what encourages them to keep doing it, because you're not complaining, so it doesn't feel wrong for them to make a mistake. Us as adults still make mistakes, okay? We do. We just don't like to admit it, but we do. And I feel like that's it has been working for me with the kids doing it that way. So if you're struggling in that area, give it a try. Once I was done with these 4 drawers that everybody in the household puts stuff in there so we won't misplace it and ends up looking like that, well, we got rid of a lot, and that was a bag, okay, of papers, of just stuff that it was in there that we didn't even use. And I decided to separate my baking sodas, one for the kitchen and then one for the laundry, because like, why not? And then since I was doing this, I'm like, I need to clean the spice area. It was nasty, and it was just like not, it wasn't working for me anymore. So I need to get 2 other Lazy Susans for the 4 little containers that I have there, because I still find myself struggling to find things in the second row. So yeah, I think I'm gonna hit the Target dollar spot to get them.
When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers on the weekend. On the weekend. No, we don't like to talk. We're not so good for words. That's why we don't get that far. But she still reads my mind, so we can follow through. Always let our bodies talk. Cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends, baby, good friends, hanging on. When the daylight comes, we're just good friends, but like lovers on the weekend. On the weekend. Will we hang on, or will we end just like this? Will we find home, or will we stay?
So I took a nap. Yeah, it happens, y'all. It happens. So I was like, I'm going to put Zion down for a nap, and we both end up falling asleep. My husband Preston and Denzel, which he's 5, they went for a haircut, and then Hazel just was watching TV. So it was kind of silent, and I think that's what made me just like doze off. End up waking up, and I was like, let me finish the medicine cabinet. There's a lot of stuff that is expired, a lot of stuff that needs to just be gone. And I wanted to do the bottom cabinets, and I was like, ain't no way. I am tired. At this point, I have been posting videos every other day, and then just like doing drills and YouTube shorts on the side. So it was kind of like my body wanted to really rest. And I was so happy that I got to rest on Sunday, doing absolutely nothing but Bible study, visit my mom, get my daughter. Like, it was just stress free. I enjoyed it, guilt free, and that's how it should be, right? We had to take that one day for truly just rest of everything and all. So I just said everything and all. Duh. Okay. Anyway, so I keep seeing, reels of people like so excited playing Mariah Carey, the Christmas song and stuff. And I'm like, girl, I just decorated for fall. And now everybody's like decorating for Christmas. I'm like, this time I'm going to decorate for Christmas before I go on a trip. We going on a trip for Thanksgiving, y'all. We are so excited, so happy and blessed for this opportunity. Only God did this, honestly. And I will tell you after the trip what really went down for us to be able to do this. It's just the way God do things, and it's just amazing. He is truly amazing. So yeah, we're going on the trip, y'all. Like, I don't even know. Like, I kept it for so long. I did mention on the live video, but I don't think a lot of people know that. And Erica reminded me when she's like, oh yeah, you got to do this before Thanksgiving. I'm like, people still think like I'm celebrating Thanksgiving in my house. But yeah, I just thought you should know that. Hopefully, I get to film it. I just don't want to be in Preston's family's face, like, the camera on them and stuff. So let's see how that goes. But other than that, if I don't get to film it, it's okay. Like, it's okay because, like, I really want him to enjoy this, you know, chance to have his entire family with him, with his kids and stuff. So it's like, it's great. It's great. And either it happens or not, I'm still going to be grateful for just seeing them. And I would like to most likely take pictures where we're going, because it's nothing like Oklahoma. And this is basically my second vacation since, like, I don't know, like, years now. And total has been 2 places that is other than Oklahoma that I have gone to, that is in United States, not Mexico. So it's great. It's great. I'm happy for it. So is Preston. And yeah, fam, like, yeah, things are getting better with overtime. So stress, be gone, please. Stress, be gone. Even though it wasn't the entire kitchen, at least it's half of it, and I will continue to do the rest. But that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you got some cleaning motivation, and I hope to see you on my next video. I'll see you and catch you on my next one. God bless you guys.